So what am I doing poking a stick into the wet ground? Well, it's the middle of November and it's high time to plant some garlic for next year. It's actually quite a miserable day to do any sort of gardening, but I actually prepared this bed quite a few weeks ago, so it's not too wet even if it's been raining. I'm usually a bit more scientific when preparing my beds and well, planting distance and depth and things, but sort of did this on a whim because I don't know when I can get some time next time. I mean, it's getting dark pretty quickly in the evenings now, so yeah, don't have any time after work. So I took this opportunity to get this done. I have waited until spring some years, and it works, but you get a later crop and perhaps not as good a crop. It's yeah, I need to be dormant for a while. I don't know. So I actually saved some of the best bulbs from this year's harvest. So might be time to get some new seed, but yeah, every 3 or 4 years it's best to get some fresh seed. Otherwise I try to save seed from last season as much as I can. But with garlic, most sorts actually need to be renewed, so to speak. So we'll see. Maybe not the best harvest next year, but I think it'll work. We'll see if that's it for November. I don't expect to do much more work. I usually don't do too much digging in the autumn because, well, I don't really do no dig garden here, but I try to disturb the soil as little as possible. And I don't like to see bare earth. It's better keeping the weeds in. Most of them will die down. So and the beds are pretty well prepared. I mean, I've used them several seasons now, so they're in pretty good condition. Doesn't take much time to prepare them in the spring when the soil dries up. So well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.